Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS Classes. So guys, today we will take a very important topic from Mathematics class 7. Mathmate book exercise 1.2. Your class is 7, exercise 1.2, your question number 1. So in first question beta, find the product. Find the product. You know what the meaning of product. Product means you have to find out the multiplication. So beta, this question is very simple. I am taking B part 9 into minus 5, right? Beta, when we multiply 9 into minus 5, first of all we will check what is the meaning when plus number is multiplied with the minus number. We get negative solution. Okay, now we have to read the table of 9 till 5. So 9 5s are 45. So your answer is minus 45. Beta, in this question no need to apply any property, right? One more part. Let this part is f, or in f part minus 3 multiply by minus 15. So both will negative, minus or minus. When we multiply these two, our answer is positive, right? So 15 3s are 45. So our answer is minus minus plus 45, right beta? So first question is very simple. You need not to apply any property. Now we will solve next part. This is second question. In second question again you have to find out the product, and this again solve the following. In second question you have to solve these question you have given. Let I am taking A part. Your question is minus 20 into 10 into 30. Beta, there is no any property. You will multiply this sum by taking the suitable rearrangement. Beta, this is very simple. You can multiply any number with any. So here minus 20 multiply, first I will multiply these two numbers. So 10 into 30, this is equal to 3 into 1 3, and then 2 0. Now how to multiply these two? When we multiply minus with positive, then we get negative answer, because minus 2 and plus 3 gives us a 3 to the 6. So minus 6, and how many 0 count here? 1 2 and 3 0. Okay, so beta, this is your answer, right? And if I am taking one more example, let I am taking C part. C part is minus 12 into minus 2 into 3. Again you have to rearrange these number by the suitable multiplication. Beta, you take only that digit that multiply easily. Okay, so when we multiply 3 into 2, so this is equal to 12 into 3 into 2 minus 6. Now minus into minus, minus 12 into minus 6, minus minus plus, and 3 to the 6 and 6 ones are, sorry, 6 to the 12 and 6 ones are 6 1 7. So 12 6 are 72. You can write this by using the table directly. So beta, your second question is very simple. You need not to apply any property here, right? Now I am solving third question. In third question you have to use the property. Now third question I am taking B part. You have to find product using property. If beta, if you solve the question without using property, then your question will be wrong. Your B part is 41 multiply 103. So beta, we have different properties here. First is closure property. Okay, second is associative property. Third is multiplicative identity. property of 0, distributive property, and you have many property here. Beta, I am using here distributive property. So for distributive property I have to divide 103 into 2 part. So 103 can be written in the form of 100 plus 3. So I will write 41 into 100 plus 3. So 103 can be written in the form of 100 plus 3. Now we apply associative property. Okay. Now we apply not associative, distributive property. Tributive, distributive property. Better you know the meaning of distributive. Distributive means to divide something to other. So first of all we divide 41 with 100. So multiply 41 into 100. Now again I divide this 41 with 3. So 41 into 3. So beta, this is the distributive property. I am writing here what is distributive property. A into B plus C, this is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is distributive property beta. Now 41 into 1, 41 and 2 0. Now 41 3s are 3 1s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So this is equal to 123. Now when we add 4100 into 123, your answer is 3 2 2 4. So this is 3 2 2 and 4. So beta, your answer is 4223. So beta, we will use the distributive property here. I am taking one more question. Same question, question number 3, and one more part. I am taking the third E part. So E part is 8 into minus 35 into minus 5. Your A part is 8 into minus 35 into minus 5. So beta, you will use the associative property here. Use associative property, which associative property is A, we have to make one group 8 into minus 5, and I am taking these two number in one group and then multiply by 35. Right beta? Associative property means A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. You have to make the different group. Right? Now 8 5s are 40. This is minus 40 and then minus 35. Right? When we multiply 35 with 4, both will negative sign, so we get positive. 5 4s are 20, 2 as it is, then 5 4s are 20, 2 and 3 2s are 12, 12 and 2 14. So beta, this is 140 and with the positive sign 140. So beta, this is the answer. Check once again. 35 multiply by 40, both have negative sign. When you multiply these two, you get positive answer. 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12 and 2 14. Right? So this is your answer beta. So here we use the associative property. So beta, you have to solve this type of question. So I will make a new video for next topic. I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve the related sum. Thank you and have a nice day.